Hello and happy Chinese New Year of the Rabbit. Today we are at a Tin Hau Temple in Yaumatei. This Tin Hau Temple is very close to the Yaumatei car park building, which is currently being very slowly demolished. If you want to see how slowly the car park building is being demolished, then watch out for my future drone videos about this area. Now, traditionally, many people in Hong Kong will visit Chinese temples to offer their chants and prayers for good luck, prosperity and health for the coming year. There are usually hordes of people who visit the larger temples in places like Wong Tai Sin and Sha Tin. However, I dislike the crowds, so visiting this Tin Hau Temple in Yaumatei was very pleasant. Today is the third day of the Chinese Lunar New Year, and there are hardly any people here at this temple. When you enter the Tin Hau Temple, the custom is to burn incense to the goddess of the sea. You can buy the incense sticks or joss sticks at the paying counter, and there are also donation boxes dotted around. This temple is rather modern and up to date because it accepts cashless payments or octopus payments. This is the Tin Hau Temple Dragon Boat Well-Wishing Gold Foil stall. You have to buy a gold leaf foil and place it on a particular part of the dragon boat. And these are funny looking marble-eyed monsters that I have never seen before. Your guess is as good as mine as to why they are here. There are other displays in the Yaumatei Tin Hau Temple and a shop that sells books and souvenirs. I'm not sure why there is a display of a traditional fishball street cart here, but it does look pretty good and realistic, even though all the food items are plastic. I'm thinking fish balls, seafood and Tin Hau being the goddess of the sea, which is why many fishermen or fisherfolk may worship Tin Hau, and this is why the fishball street cart is here. What do you think? Inside the school, aside from the books and souvenirs, there is a traditional Chinese drinks stand. The first thing to catch my attention is the sugarcane crushing machine that squeezes out fresh sugarcane juice. Obviously, the sugarcane is plastic, but just an hour earlier I had actually bought some fresh sugarcane juice. It was crushed and squeezed out by a similar contraption just a few blocks away. These Chinese herbal teas are obviously all plastic as well, but they make a nice display. As you can see, I managed to avoid the crowds during Chinese New Year by visiting this Tin Hau Temple in Yaumatei. This was a very pleasant visit to an uncrowded Tin Hau Temple in Hong Kong, and I highly recommend visiting this temple. Thanks for watching and stay safe.